kasa aba ye ba beto no afie no enkurumdie beba ma wo a ya na ewutumi ye na Ghana fo behwe ne atoso aba ne amanyoko poten a obi nso ewo mu
nimdie ene akokeka ni nyansa a wa sebe Ghana this one obetimi ene aso na se ede tuma na mo for no emwato competence and very very key you have to jemu and you know a chip of insa essay momayi no say juma no betimi aye ni nim for na wo pray o mabeni akuna no atnaso ye to so bi no a o ma for no hwehwe free no ho track record ni amaye bi pay for say you aye bi da na ye ni gina kwano na say twa no ano momayi mu ni amaye na munyina so efa hye nkwan
we a professor sma sapon ene yete ne ka onu hwehwemu a waye no
san hwehwemu no wosan esane de conform de ye commandam no nyina e kire ba bi obi ahode woni de enti a sa mantam no beto ma NPP anasa ndc
edosia ena edinkomo ehwama ne bo ne de hia ya ye de tutwa na amane bo nyina ne se so the cambo one bano amanyoko a Ghana ha ede kase amafo bebre ne diochi very popular we say associate that the mononso there but parts akase bi no na le kase still a local wani NDC National Democratic Congress ede demokai with 38.8% party Omanfo no enim no ka wosro edi kan NDC 38.8% na ne edi ho NPP party na ho ka wosro it also be no Ghana for nim more we popular NPP 34.5%. Oko mantom ni mo Western North atoyetifi yes be also ni party mu eho na ebu sheda na ho parties akase bi no omumu ni awabi edikan
na ne fa ba bi nso osan esane de conform e kire woni a sese woni adwuma ye wo Ghana hanin pempe so so a omo so abrabo no wodi gina
jenu edunu ba ko chi bo ba ko se Ghana omu nya adwuma ya akomuni ababie ni ase akagana beto ene omu you know because unemployment is very key. The best forces so much one more ye. So for year party manifesto those who are now who got to one campaign. We na Indian can for mobile to Castle Semuni, the Indian, na who to one more so. Afe, Oba Sika 7, and as a minor Sika 7 economy, inflation come on, general economy no, said the economy come on.
Yakuyani wonsam foforo
yabakuyanim Dr. Laji Mamudu Baumia wo ton ne ho ade a kire Ghana fo akwakopiemu ankran na nanom ayinfu bedwa Greater Accra Regional House of Chiefs eno no de ato wonu anim so nyankropon Allah ogina na chini eto abade man sama mpania na nanom so obemu munwanam sa da wanse kakrakra na wo matumi dia yedwuma so ntumi fa adwuma nkohye paninsa wo bra wo mane bibibia da ene 1000 Ghana cedi kura bosomia eno beboa no ama wo paturu wo matumi dia to sanse se tumi dia adwuma bi hye na nanom nsa na wo mtumi ye no wo ye ne ye na mwa ma wo hyeso a efiri wo manu mu no entumi ensa emrebiem odi asemi etudwa ene wo chechemu se amamra no ne nchiama eka eye na nanom nsam eye chieftaincy act no won so wo bewe na session 63D woma ye bibi wo ho na tumi aboa am ye de tumi ama nanom no mo de aye adwuma.
A heavy price as a country in doing so. We don't have discipline in a lot of our society because the chiefs don't even have the power to summon people to the palace. It becomes a problem. And so there's no discipline. And I don't know how it has increasingly happened, but we have to go back and make amends. So I'm proposing a review and an amendment of Section 63D of the Chieftaincy Act. And this is what my manifesto committee is recommending also, that we amend Section 63D of the Chieftaincy Act and give more power back to the chiefs. give more power back to the chiefs. That would help government, because there are so many cases that come to court that should not come to court.
Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia nyansa container ena wakasa ewon kran na nanma yinfu bedwani mu no.
Dr. Edu Anane entry ena ye convener de ma wone ye won sika da ho a wone aban no e kire so se won sabe kan no a osa akwa atene ye hwe o man sika sam bium se omo ko bere o di kan eru Steven Amo adi kan hia no sabi epo bia nhya da amo papa omo ye se bia pani ni nkomo hwe nanim kakra nso omo trans ma se ade san omadu ane so nti na hu akohia se wo san epem eba anim bi nti nura wasa epem ko anim kakra na yentie yewura nsam o de ma bra na yebusa na nsam ba ko mienu miensa bi
At the ministry, the Deputy Minister of Finance, Dr. Stephen Amwa, came to us and promised that they were going to get back to us. We didn't hear from him until Tuesday, the day before the next picketing, which we are going to do the next picketing on 22nd. So by 12:20, I had sent a letter to the police that the picketing was coming on the next day, which was the 22nd. Then afterwards, I got a call from the minister, Deputy Minister, Dr. Sibiabo, that the ministry has planned to meet us, but he has some official travels to make. So we should let him travel and come. He's returning on 27th. So when he comes back, he will arrange for us to meet. Because of that, we decided to suspend the picketing from that 22nd and also 29th, because if you are traveling and you are coming 27th, it will be too close to 29th. So we suspended it for 22nd and 29th. By 29th, we haven't heard anything. Then last Thursday, I sent him a text message, one by WhatsApp, one by SMS, and said to him that we are still waiting for him to call the meeting that was promised.
Dr. Edu Anane entry.
Ya mami ya wono na da Guild and Safe Foundation no mami gift yemisa ene woka say emabunu ya titru ne maiwa mutititi kasamfoni so ekeka kanamu nsam ne kwan a wo ma anyonko famu ne enema tititi sa ne nyina nya de papa o se ebra som se emabunu a mo ye sa adwumadie ne nyina no ebeyi ne nyina dan so ade afiri ho o se sa ne nkoda no ne etieto mo fa hodie so na be ma wo makura ni magu ase wo bra wono mo anyi no nti wonam the foundation ne so kasa hwe kwampa ye be fa so ye isa wo ha no afiri ho
enti ye create awareness say ai nkwala ne say na mom ye na ye jai omomoma say enti ye nyina ye start ne ye mo ye ho so na ye mfa mofra no entity wo mo enti ye church wo mo no enti na ye din ne the guide and save no ye guide wo mo no we will save their life me dey make us say say even empanyifo kra omo relationships asem court no yen kan wo open court kra na family tribunal omo kan wo chambers yenni awaresem ne sa family issues no wo open mankofo ni madanse enti mi susu se obi de na semaba especially me concern yen kwala no obi aya kwala no bibi na odi aba na wo solve a me pacho emfane metudwa because wa onya de ne photo ana se nanim ebeto ho a wa expose no
ya da ma me gift ya mi sanso ase
Yewura Alexander Afenyoma Kens na Kasebra no ansamtrofo nhyem de koso e won kramantam ne mu opane no asamo a wode maye eyetiatia wotrese wokọ Ghana maraso bedwomadom kuma no suni won ban wo meda na die no e ade se etwintwan aban no na mu pa e wo business bia aban no pese woye e ba na sa no a e ade se hadwe opane ne nsam kakra wode ka honie.
To remind our colleagues that without prejudice to the general powers of Parliament to oversight, it is important to remind our colleagues that they ought not make Parliament a busybody, nosing for things that are not part of the mandate of Parliament. Our job as Parliament is provided for in the Constitution. And I would urge our friends in the NDC that by that act They are obstructing government business. By that act, they are scaring investors, and that affects the economy. If businesses are hearing such news, basically they are not going to give up their best. People will keep their money, and that would affect the good people of Ghana. For the avoidance of doubt, let me quote the law they rely on.
Ira Alexander Afenyomakis na yetenenkai.
Secondly, High Court akwa sitina wo atoyema ntem mayema Juana Kujujan ya wono ene ejina mu aprem rachebedwa konwa wa Memphis Central sabredi ene disi amanyuko mu awura no bi edna kogina court se kwan ofa so obegina mu no wamfamra kwan so wafogine nkrata bi ede abenti yemfa eson entono so enam so makoto no so ene sa pepepe enso ede ya makopem se be kan asem no wi owura jedu frimpon Akubila Daniel Inokunti Amwa, Isaac Chum, Doris Edu, and a woman Sue Yamami Joanna Kudu, and it is Samanyuko, about to commissa, woman in Adoma can be Samami, young fashion cassia, and Tony Soko, Tony Swaginaso, Sebra, one Edia Salmon, one Yano, so one no any agent Aprem Rachabidakunyama, this year, I'm in Central, Copim say, Ibedia Samui.
Abusaye maame no mu a woton atosode ani nuaba hodo enya bi de boye ho ebra e wa setena mu no omuguso ya omo kasa omasem omo ka nyina kire se ba bi omokofa enoma no de ba ayenso nya bi eto no ekwan no wa enema no boa ye den kuani no bakakoto na afom ho no na wa bere pa ansa na watimi aya no baye na no baye na watumi aba nam so ma kwa me nkroma suapo no ne fa ya ekire ku adwuma ehun sam so pani ba ko ya wo ho enuma suamu obemfa kwasi mensa bonsu ne ne den ko busa ne sentese ba bi e gira sesia no de na wasa ban no ye
Sama edu baby ana was amfan ehwe ma omudi omuda edu baby so ana ebese bia obi hwe na obi kina efise ne bia na sisi e wo baby na ye friend market serious ti o baby nia na o se abai be hwe se be yes no e be bra no ase ana se be yes mo enti ansana abai be mu obi bi no so mu se Ghana ye di na ye gya krone ana se gya de kwani ne kwaso se nya ne kwaso nia o sa abai be tiem no be kira ma ye nyinara enti se Ukraine no ekoduane no baya tena na o kan se fia for emane kano aso kwani be se the normal photo any board and se na de no ton no obeba ne boye de ne be se fi kwan ono so die sha de the normal photo de abedua no ne board ya ye di odibegu so de be pete so ni nyinara ne board ya ono so be dua wia that di also no so dua no nya fa so do so wia obebu na konta o hwe e ka wa bo no hwe ni baya wo nya fi mu na no so timi ton no nya kata no so ni na busia bi Johnny Dienetia. It is here cofa, yet atosodia, and I said, Yedigusuno, synthesize near that the neport in here. I want to be a baby to my baby, a momo cofa, dear Cladia, should be a battle. I didn't know any board in the person, I want Toma, a queer phono, and I said, a few will be almost see a queer phone at that of fire, chemicals near the GA and no man. There'll be this star, and see a whole star near, and I baby to maybe them. I can say, come of us on the board in the door, is the most a good for. I said, I know the Ababit map. I said, Granny, I could get a new buyer. Now, what's any boy, send the cow boy yet. Now, what's in the Kenya? No, it's all about custody or no Granny Subia or some Sunya Dita. The honor so best on the best, yeah, and the money at him. And the other Bible map, I said, Granny, Tono, or her education, or the night said, your house. The Kia for you, my dear, the Ababit map, the input, no, and I said, insensitize need free, but yeah, honor. Board na ba hwe ho eye e bi ofani nya dua wie pe gise dia ade kwenta ne boya de ne ye ka na
anopai me kanfo de ma wo se bomoden na efo ni kiremo ye nkrabata bia ya eben wo ya ne sciatica expert ne yare nka ye bia ka ho bia so ye hwe mantam dunsia ne nyina ye ho ya ye adwuma 0540311311 0540311311 me kanfo na me de ma wa no pai se ba bia wo ko ne ba bia wo ko bia no e ma wo mfesa nkoda no e ko school wo so wo ko twam anase bia adwuma bi na wo ya e ya kai se oba gimizo 5G de ya fra ne de yam fra Dr. Silas Adawroma ba bia wo nam bia ene ba bia wo bia mantam dunsia nyina ba boa ama won san tumi akabi for all your programs 0246 270221 0246 270221 221 ɛyɛ abɔmɔden sɛ wodeɛ no sɛ koko sisi yade yam tim ɛna ɛhawa 3A Herbal Center wona dura your friend koko master no ɛna abadwa so a baabi yɛ ton duro bia no also per 3A Herbal Center na dura your friend koko master no yɛdeɛ no wonom a wobɛtumi akɔ adwuma ɛnom a ɛmfa wo yam wonom nso wobɛtumi akɔ baabi yɛ a wopɛ sɛ wokɔ nyame yɛ atom na wobɛfia na wabɛyɛ bibia bɔkɔ sɛ deɛ wankasa wosi ɛhwehwɛ no Mr. Herbal calling nak Danny Herbal ɛno akyi apedank 0546107107 0546107107
Ohini ni amakranchada zoas of mami premier ni medin asante abo Benedict samufo pani ya osone kase suma yen yegu ho asew akosia so Elizabeth na nanayire ene trafidie na chima safo kantanka ebo adwuma ewo MCR ho mene
nana kwabra kese